Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Nikki and I'm here to do a review, another unboxing slash review of the Keurig Mini Plus. An upgrade from the Mini that I was having complications of seeing which one to buy, which Keurig to buy. So, you know, I wanted to make basically, sometimes I want to do a coffee, sometimes I mostly do teas, sometimes I want to do a coffee. So I was like, it's time to invest in a Keurig. So I got one at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was $99.99 with a 20% off coupon, which made it $20 cheaper. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. This is the Keurig Mini, and this is supposedly fits anywhere. It's small, it's compact, and the one thing I like about it is that it has a reservoir you could take out, and it's wide and easy to clean, and you can make it per, seriously? My cabinet is opening. I have to fix that. Sorry. So the other thing I like about it is that it has, you could go basically per cup. You don't have to have the, you know, sometimes it has a giant reservoir, and my mom has had that, and it stagnates. Like if you put water, like my mom uses good water, basically Poland Spring, not tap water. I call good water basically anything that's not tap water. So she puts good water in her coffee machine, and if she doesn't use it, it's just gonna go to waste. So this is a good idea. We both got one actually. So this one's mine. It comes in black and red, but in the store they only had black available. So it comes encased inside a, sorry for that loud noise, it's probably loud. This new camera I got is pretty loud. I noticed when I'm editing, super loud. So it comes encased in that, and then this bag like that, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. It's really cute. It's like 5 inches, it says. 5 inches, and let me read the box. Put the box on over here again. It fits anywhere less than 5 inches wide, and it comes with a pod storage if you want to travel to go. It has a strong brew function on there if you want your brew to be more stronger, and you could do 6 to 12 ounces at a time. Removable 1 cup reservoir, fast and fresh, and marvelous. Here we go, we're gonna check it out. So it looks like this. The back of it has a plug that you can take out and put in. Let's see how long it is. That's it. It's about this long, which is perfect. Annoying. And it has the front part. Oh my gosh. My cabinet keeps on opening. It's really disrupting me. I have to put tape on it. It comes with the pod carrying case. You could fit, I think, 9 pods in here. So if you want to take this whole thing to go, you just put the pods in there, stick it in here, and take it to go. Okay, you know what? This is enough. I'm putting my Yeti blue speaker up here to block that. Okay, so I'm gonna take the pod reservoir out. And this is how it looks, like that. And it has a removable tray. See? Like that. So if you want to put a travel mug, it fits that. And it looks like it's pretty easy to clean. It snaps right in. And this is what the inside looks like. It has the removable K-cup thingy. Alright, I don't know those terminologies of this right now, but basically like that, and then you just close it, and it has just one single button, just that, brew, that's it, and then strong brew, that's it. And now turn it on the side, this is the reservoir on the back. You see? It has numbers on the side to see how much water you want to put. And this is what I'm talking about. Look how big. Look how easy to clean this is. You're not going to have no trouble with like mildew and anything. You could easily clean this, and it was hard to clean a bigger reservoir like my mother's. She had like the bigger one. I don't even know how many ounces of water fit, but it was some places like really hard to get, so you see like these little residues or whatever. It was disgusting. So she had to get a new one. This is it. And that's it. The only thing I'm gonna do now is basically taste test and check it out. But what I want to do first is I want to wash this. I'm gonna wash this first, and the directions say, I opened my mother's, and the directions say basically to do a first run of just plain water to clean out the system, and then you could then make your coffee. Just one setup, one thing, simple setup. Just run water through it. So what I'm gonna do right now is quickly go run water to this and clean it, and then we'll start the first step. All right, and I'm back with the clean reservoir, and I have basically, my mother got her own box of coffee, which she chose Jamaican Me Crazy by Wolfgang Puck, and this had some little bit of coconut flavor in it that I didn't know, and I loved it. It smelled great. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one, but I also have the Donut Shop coconut mocha drink. I chose that, and for my sons, I got them Swiss Miss hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. So that's theirs, but I'm going to run first. It says to run through, the first step is to run through a little bit. I'm gonna start off with this water because I'm not gonna use nothing else but purified water. I'm not a tap water kind of person ever, for a long time, for years already, so that's just my thing, you know. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in there like that. Now, I gotta plug this in. It's on finally. It's on. It's alive. Okay, that's my creamer. Alright, we're gonna go through the quick run where I pressed it on, and now basically going to open and close it. And then it's blinking. The light is blinking on the top. That's it. You know what? I should time it. I'm gonna time it next time to see how long it takes. How would I be able to time it? I gotta find my timer. Okay, stopwatch. I got my stopwatch. Okay, so it's heating up, I guess. I got a phone call. I like my phone case. Isn't it cool? Everyone thinks it's a Windex bottle. Okay, this is taking too long. Finally! I had some like weird troubleshooting just now, but it worked perfectly. It's hot, it's steaming, it's working. The coffee is making. Oh my gosh. I don't know how much water I put, but it wasn't full. So it wasn't 12 ounces. It could be anywhere from 8 to maybe 6 to 8 ounces. So there we go. I ran it through. That's it. Now I'm going to dump this water out, and then I'm going to do my actual cup of coffee. I'll be right back. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Backity back. I dumped my cup of coffee, my first run. Now your Keurig is ready to go. Now my Keurig is ready to go. I'm using Jamaican Me Crazy. Jamaican me crazy. This is a medium roast. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some water into my reservoir. You know what? Let me turn it to show. I think I'm going to do 8 ounces. That's 6. I recycle bottles and give the money to my son so he could save. I don't know if I should do 8 ounces. Yeah, I'll do 8 ounces. So there. We got 8 ounces of water in the reservoir. And then we're going to close the Keurig. And then I'm going to go ahead and do a strong brew. Just because. And we're going to go press the button. Wait, I was supposed to time it. Okay. Might be off by a little bit, but all the water just sucked from the reservoir into the tank. Now, I don't know what it's doing at this point. This is where I had a problem before. I feel it. I feel it brewing. See my hand? I'm feeling the side of it. It's brewing. That's what I said last time. I didn't even go. Okay, there we go. Alright. There's my coffee. So it took a minute, let's say a minute and 5 seconds. Let's round it off. It takes 1 minute for the water to go down and to heat up and brew. 1 minute, guys. So if you just have 1 minute, you can say, let me make you a coffee, just give me a minute. Literally, you could say, it takes a minute to brew this coffee. And it's brewing right now. It smells so good. And when I poured the water out on the first time when I did the rinse, after I poured the water out, a couple minutes after, the cup was still very hot. So this makes piping hot coffee. Okay, let it do the last drip drops. Okay, so I'm gonna take my cup, move this over. I'm gonna take my cup of coffee and get my creamer. This is my favorite creamer, amaretto. Amaretto. So I'm gonna put that in there like that.
Sure do, I'll get you a knife.
Alright, so now I need a stirrer, which means I need a knife. Oh, this smells delicious. It smells like a mixture of coconut coffee with amaretto. A hint of amaretto. This Jamaican Me Crazy coffee reminds me of, I used to get the toasted white mocha at Starbucks, and this is very similar to that. I usually have to put sugar in my coffees because I don't like the taste of bitter coffee, so I sweeten it to get the taste out. But I have some sugar in the raws. Let me taste the coffee. It's hot, and it needs a 1 pack of sugar. Just a little bit of sugar. And now let's try. And then we're going to do a hot chocolate K-cup. Or actually, Julius is going to come in and do it. Do you have a mug, Julius?
Yeah, I have it right here.
Okay, got your mug. Okay, I'm going to taste the coffee now with 1 pack of raw sugar. Better! I could use another one, but I don't want to OD on sugar. So we're going to take Julius here now. And it's quite hot. It's very good. It's still hot. We're going to take Julius here now, and he's going to have some hot chocolate. Embrace every sip of Swiss Miss. Okay, go ahead and take your pot out. Alright. Open, yes. Oh, let me take the old pot. Let me get that. It's too hot for you. Wow, it looks so cool. Alright. I'm going to put that right here. Ooh, you scared me. Okay, we're going to now go fill the reservoir up to 8. Here, fill the reservoir up to 8. Why would I keep my AirPods? Oh my gosh, I finally got a case for my AirPods. See? It's a nice minty green color. Alright, good, good, good. Okay. And now you can go ahead and put your cup in there and press the button. Yep. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hot chocolate!
Hey, only a drip drop came out.
That's all you get.
Hey. Oh, nope.
Wow! Will you look at that?
Hot chocolate.
Oh, it smells delicious. Wow. Oh my gosh. I think you used a little bit too much water, Julius.
Good.
Oh, this crybaby over here. This crybaby. This is my little baby. Say hi. And he wants coffee that he can't have or hot chocolate because it's too hot. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, so he knows it's hot. He could have some hot chocolate in a little bit. But for now, I'm going to end this video because he's going to get a little bit cranky. Mwah. Oh, he's so cute. Thank you. So, if you enjoy watching me, please subscribe. I will be uploading many more videos. And on that note, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye.